Hey crafters, welcome back to my channel Because I'm Crafty. My name's Caitlin, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some easy and free PDF patterns for gifting. And this video is for the ladies and men out there, plus some other items as well. In another video that I just filmed before this, I did one for kids. Things that you can craft with kids or do for kids for birthdays, holiday, Christmas, whatever you like. But this one is for pretty much everybody else. There are some clothing items, there are some other items as well, but if you have any other suggestions, let me know down in the comments below what your go-to PDF patterns are for gifting. Even if they are not free, just let me know down below so other people can read it as well. And once I see your suggestions, I'll add them in as links as well to the description box. But some of these I also got from Facebook. I went to this group right here. It's a PDF group on Facebook. I forget the exact name, but it'll be here. And a lot of these were suggested on there along with ones that I found. But again, leave your suggestions as well because we all want to learn from everyone. So the first one that I found was from Sinclair Patterns, and that one was mentioned in my question to that group on Facebook. And you just have to go to their Facebook group, Sinclair Patterns, to find the free coupon code to get this pattern. But they're called the Sunset Lounge Pants. And I know that I've downloaded a lounge style pant before, but what I liked about these was that they had a lot of different options for the waistband, and one of them had like a drawstring style ruched side, I think, waistband. And a lot of people were mentioning that they're really good for maternity pants, or people that are growing, and I thought that that was really cool because you don't have to have like a maternity add-on or anything like that. It's all included in that pattern. So I like that it wasn't just one simple pattern, it had a few options. And I mean, who doesn't love a good lounge pant? I mean, whether you use them just for around the house or for pajama pants, can't go wrong. This one I really loved from Halla Patterns, and you just have to again go to their Facebook group to get the free code for their Agnes swing top and dress. This one is really pretty, and it's a really great simple pattern just to have in your collection that you can totally hack and do different things with it. So I think since it's not super fitted or anything like that, it's definitely easy to gift if you just have a few measurements from the person that you're thinking of, and it would be great. The next one I loved, which I actually downloaded, is from DIBY Club, and it's their hooded infinity scarf, and I thought this was really, really cute. I'm actually going to film a video of making that, and then I might add a little hack to it where I add a zipper into the side and have like a little pouch in there. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do that really soon. And they also had a makeup brush case, which I thought was really cool for maybe a teen or young adult who loves makeup. Give them something travel friendly for their makeup brushes because they're not the easiest thing to travel with, well, let me tell you. So that I thought was really cool, and you can totally personalize it however you want. The other one I wanted to mention was from Trish Newbery, and she had a really cute lined reusable shopping bag. That was what she called it. I think you could totally use this bag in many different ways. Hack it, fancy it up with, you know, some faux leather, vinyl, or actual leather, however you want, but I think just having that as a simple basic pattern is great to be able to add on to. Cate Sew, like I said in the last video, everyone knows Cate Sew, but I went on her website to look up some of her free tutorials and patterns and wrote down some of the ones that I thought would be good for gifting. So she has a lot of little bag tutorials and patterns on there, which are super great. So some of them were the coin pouch, the quilted cosmetic bag, canvas book bag, gem zipper pouch, see-through zip bag, and she has a bunch of other ones on there, but I thought that those were really, really good, especially if you're gifting someone something specific. You can make a little pouch to put it in, and it's just super cute. Another one that I thought was interesting was the crossover tie, and it's a tie for women that goes underneath a collared shirt, and then it kind of crosses in the front. And the way she did it and styled it in the photos was just super cute. So I think if you have someone in your life that you think could really style that nicely, I think that that would just be such a nice personal touch to their wardrobe. especially if you made like a little collection of like 3 or 4 of them. So cute. The knot scrunchie, I mentioned this in the kids version as well. I think this would be super cute. Scrunchies are coming back in like crazy and I cannot even believe it. I remember a few years ago going through all my old hair accessories and getting rid of a bunch because the elastic had completely like, you know, it gets like rotted on the inside, loses its elastic. So I just think it's funny that I just like threw a bunch out not that long ago, honestly, and they're coming back in. So super easy to do and add to a gift. The boho ruffle blouse. This one was really cute, simple. Again, just think of the person that you want to gift it to, but I think that that would be really cute. Coffee cozy. You can't go wrong with a coffee cozy. You can always add like a little, I can't remember if this one had it or not, but if you add like an extra little pocket, it can be a place to put their card, or you know, maybe a gift card to Starbucks, Tim's, McDonald's, whatever, and then that can go with their coffee cozy. So I think that's a really cool idea. They had one called the trapper hat, which I think is good for men and women, and it's a traditional trapper hat style. They had like the faux fur in the front and the sides, and I just thought that that was really super cute, especially for someone maybe who loves skiing or outdoor activities. That would be really cool. And the other thing I wanted to mention was the SD card case, which I thought would work really well with another pattern that I'm going to mention in a little bit. But for any photographers out there or technology-based people, I thought that that would be really cool. And they did have a tie for men as well. She had a skinny tie with the kind of the traditional pointed end, and then one with a square end, which I thought was pretty cool. So, want to make a tie for your man out there? There you go. So the other one I thought that the SD card would go with is the camera strap pattern from Patterns for Pirates. So if you paired those two together, good to go. But speaking of Patterns for Pirates, I have a bunch on here. Everyone loves peg legs. They have an add-on pack and a maternity pack. So if you have anyone who loves cozy leggings or is into active wear or is just active anyways at the gym or wherever, peg legs are awesome. Just get their size and good to go. Super easy, super quick. They do not take long to make at all. They also have the pirate pencil skirt. Again, super easy, super quick. They also have the walk the plank PJ pants for men and women as well. It's just a unisex pattern, so something just good to have in your collection anyways. They also have the tulip tee, which I mentioned in the other video that they also have for girls. So I think it's a good way to match up like a mother-daughter set if you wanted to, or you could. They have a super cool hat called the Set Sail hat. So for anyone who's going on vacation somewhere, I think that this would be a great gift for them because it's like a wide brimmed hat, and it's just, I don't know, it looks so posh. It's really cute. And the other ones I wanted to mention, they have a slouchy beanie. They have a slouchy head warmer and / neck warmer as well. So it's kind of a 2-in-1, so you can kind of pull it up over your head or keep it around your neck. And then the slouchy beanie is just a traditional beanie that kind of slouches at the back. Super cute as well. You can match those with a mitten pattern or something like that. Good to go. And I believe the next one, let me see. I don't think I have it written down here, but it's either Patterns for Pirates or Made for Mermaids. Also have a fleece mitten pattern as well, so you can put those all together and you have a whole set. And I'm hearing my cat play upstairs with a toy. I'm sure you can hear that. What are you doing up there? Oh, hopefully it's not something she shouldn't have. I'll go check once I'm done. And back to Made for Mermaids. Like I said in the kids video, they also have a Mama Page Pico top. It's a really cute loose fitted knit top. I think it has kind of a high-low hem on it. Super cute and easy. You don't have to worry about you know, fitting something super tight or anything because it's loose. It can fit a lot of people. And again, mother-daughter pairing would be really cute. They have an oven mitt pattern, a hand warmer pattern. They also have an ear warmer pattern. They have a mason jar pin cushion, which I'm sure you've seen on Pinterest many times, But I thought that would be really cute if you wanted to see the full tutorial, because then you can fill the mason jar with a little sewing kit and have the little pin cushion on top. It'd be super cute. What else do they have? They also have a fabric gift bag, or a wine gift bag, so if you want to personalize your wine bottle that you're giving or anything else, you've got a little pattern for that if you're not sure. The other free PDF patterns they have for women and girls are the Cora culottes and the Mama Chloe skirt and maxi skirt. So those are good, simple fit items that would be super quick. You can use up some scraps in your stash. They have the men's layered bow tie, and I believe they have this kind of as a set for the whole family, so there's different sizes for different ages. And I mean, who doesn't love a good bow tie, especially for men? You can do a son and father matching set, or daughter, doesn't matter. What are the last few ones I got? They also have a banded beanie. So if you don't like the slouchy beanie from Patterns for Pirates, then you have a more tight fitted one from Made for Mermaids. And they also have a sleep mask pattern, which I thought would be really cool, because I've done a sleep mask tutorial on my channel before, but I didn't actually have a pattern for it. I just kind of made it in the video. So if you want a pattern that you can just print out pretty simply, you can use that one, and I think it'd be really cool to personalize the front of it, so you can have like an animal face. I know I've seen some really cute ones that are like a little unicorn and they have a little horn at the top. You can get totally creative with it and do whatever animal you want or whatever character. Just get creative with it. But if you want a pattern to start with, there you go. And I think there's different sizes for that one as well. And I also wanted to mention, it's called allfreesewing.com, and they kind of have a huge list of patterns that I was looking for men, because it's kind of hard to find a lot of free PDF patterns and tutorials to give to men or that are for men. So I found that website and I found a couple. There's a no-sew watch holder, which I think I saved the picture for. If I did, I'll put it up here. But I'm going to do a DIY on that because I think it's super simple, super easy. I honestly didn't even open the link. I just seen the picture. I was like, I know exactly how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do that as a tutorial. But there were a few other ones that I seen as well that I didn't dig in too much, but I just thought I would link them in case. So they have a couple of men's wallets and phone case / wallets as well. So I thought that those might be really cool for your more techie men in your life, but they have a ton of other ones on there. But again, if you have any other suggestions, leave them in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't seen the first one that I filmed, which was specific to kids or for crafting with kids, I will link that in the cards above and the description down below if you haven't seen that yet. It'll also be linked at the end of the video. But yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions for your favorite patterns for gifting or just other DIY related gifting ideas, leave it down in the comments below. All of us would love to know what you like to make during the holiday time or birthday time or any other time of the year. So I'm going to work on those DIYs that I mentioned. I also have a few more videos I have planned specifically for sewists and a few other things as well. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to try and get them out as quickly as I can before Christmas actually arrives, so that if you guys do want to do any of these DIYs, you actually have time to do them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you aren't already. I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I'll see you in the next one, crafters. Bye!